Now, I don't actually have a set recipe for this dish, but it almost always involved the following ingredients. An inexpensive beef roast. Carrots. Small potatoes, skin on or off, your choice. Celery. Onions. Garlic. Mushrooms. Stock. Salt and pepper. Here's the point, I mix it up a lot. Sometimes I'll use peppers or something like that. Sometimes I'll add in some more herbs or spices or whatever. But I would not change the base of the dish to something fancy, because, well, it's pot roast. I don't know what benefit there would be in cooking premium beef at 200°F for 6 or 7 hours. A5 Wagyu would just literally melt, for example, and there would be an inch-thick layer of fat on top of the roast. Likewise, while I genuinely enjoy fancy mushrooms, currently I have chicken of the woods, morels, lion's mane, chanterelles, oysters of all colors, etc., I don't feel that they truly add anything when put into a pot and braised in stock for hours. I'd rather just get some cremini and toss them in and they soak up all the juices and taste just fine to me.